Check this out, guys. One of my students reached out to me earlier this morning about the method he seen in one of my videos last week, and he was able to set up exactly the same method, and he was able to generate over $100 per day on ClickBank just by doing this. And as you can see, the earnings were not consistent. He was struggling at first to make $100, but then ever since then he was making over $100, almost $200 on Monday, which was pretty much yesterday. And today you can see he didn't even make $100, but the day is not over, so I'm pretty sure he will reach the $100 mark today just as well. And if you add it up, he was able to make almost $800 in a single week. I'm just hoping you guys can see it, because I'm not sure what's the focus on this camera, but he was able to make almost $800 just by doing this method. And in today's video I'm going to show you exactly what this method is, how my student was able to set it up, which affiliate offer he used for this, so you can go ahead and replicate the same result. Now all you need for this method is just your laptop and an internet connection and a couple of minutes of your time per day. And if you're going to follow this video from beginning to the end, you will know exactly how to set it up so you can replicate these same results too. So just make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel, comment down below something for the YouTube algorithm, and let's get started. Okay, so first of all, head over to clickbank.com, and if you're going to be following this method exactly how my student was able to make almost $800 per week doing this, sign up for your account and log into ClickBank. But if you don't want to be using ClickBank for some reason, you can also use another affiliate networks for this. Is going to work just as well. So if you're gonna use ClickBank, just log right into your account, and once you log into your ClickBank account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace. Pretty much just go straight into the self-help section if you're going to be using the exact same offer that my student used to make all those money. And he told me he used this exact offer that's right at the top right now in the time of recording this video, and it's called His Secret Obsession, Incredible Conversions, 90% front and back and CPA. Pretty much you can see you can get paid on average $58 for each of these conversions, but because this offer has a recurring rebill commission of almost $12, you will be able to make money using this offer on Autopilot just for setting it up without doing any additional work. So if you're going to be promoting this exact offer too, just pretty much click on promote here, and you need to grab yourself your affiliate link. First of all, you need to type in your ClickBank nickname, so I'm just going with mine that I use on ClickBank, and then just click on create a hop link, and you will get your custom affiliate link down here. For all those new people out there who do not know what affiliate link is, pretty much this is like a unique URL that's going to direct whoever's going to click on it to the sales page of the product, and every time somebody is going to make a purchase of this product, you will get paid commission. So once you grab your affiliate link, what you want to do is just copy it and save it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. For example, I like using this notepad. In every video I use this neat little yellow notepad that I've got on my MacBook, and also go ahead and type in the name of the product so I know for which product this link is. Once you do that, you can close ClickBank and then just go to Google, and you want to search for Get Response. Just hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this website. First website that's right here, it's called getresponse.com, and what you want to do is sign up for your free account by pressing this button. And once you go through the sign up process, just log right into it. And once you log into your GetResponse account, you want to go to this upper section and you want to click on contacts. First of all, you need to create a contact list where you will be able to capture all the contacts that you're going to get. And to do that, just click on create a list right here. Pretty much just name it something. Usually I'm going with something that's in the name of the product, and because we are promoting product named His Secret Obsession from ClickBank, I'm just going to name it His Secret Obsession Affiliate Method or something like that. This is pretty much just for your own reference. You don't have to get very creative here. Then just click on create, and it's going to get created just like this. Then what you want to do is go to this top right section, and you want to click on the settings, because you need to make a little adjustment to this list in order to be able to receive contacts without any problems. Pretty much just go to these settings right here, and what you want to do here is just go to this subscription section, and you want to make sure that opt-in, double opt-in is going to be disabled just like this. You don't want these sliders to be blue, you want them to be this grayish. That way anybody who's going to opt in into this list can do so without having to confirm the subscription in their email. This may seem like a sneaky tactic, but it's actually very important, because that way you can get a lot more contacts to your list without any additional trouble, and that's very important for this. Once you do that, click on Save General Settings, and for the next part you want to go to the upper section again, and this time you need to select these tools, and you want to click on Landing Pages. And here you want to create a very simple landing page that you're going to use to capture all the emails from the traffic that is going to come to your landing page. What you want to do is pretty much just go to this Create Landing Page button, And for this method, the easiest way and one of the most effective is to create a landing page from scratch. Pretty much if you're going to be promoting anything directly and you want the traffic to be as engaged and primed for the purchase, you may want to go for one of these pre-made templates, or if you want to promote your service or your website or anything like that. But for this method, and what exactly one of my students did is just go to this build from scratch page, show templates, and you want to select one of the easiest templates that you can customize. Pretty much one of the best captures on GetResponse is this one right here, and it's called plain template number 10. So just go ahead and select that and go ahead and name it something, again just for your own reference. So I'm just going with his secret obsession. Then just pretty much click on next step, and what you want to do is customize this page to your liking. So pretty much all you want to do is just get rid of this logo up here. We are not going to be using it in this image as well. Then what you want to do is go back to the sales page of the product, and you want to copy something from the sales page. So I'm just going to select this title right here, go back to my GetResponse landing page, and I'm going to add a text box right here. I'm just going to paste it in there just like that, and also I'm going to customize it so it's going to look exactly, or at least somehow, as it's looking on a sales page. And pretty much this is how I'm going to customize this very simple landing page. Just go ahead and change this image as a background image, go to the sales page, salvage one of these photos that you can find on here. For example, this one, you can go with this one, I went with this one, or you can just go ahead and grab yourself a stock footage of some couple that is going to imply what this product is going to be about. Then just go and copy and paste some text from the sales page with a call to action that actually I'm going to make a little bit larger because I want it to stand out, something like this. For example, let's just readjust this just like that, because pretty much all you want to do on this site is to point the customers, the potential future customers, from the traffic source to the sales page through your affiliate link, and in the process you want to capture their email address. So pretty much this is entire landing page that's going to be done just like this. Then also make sure you're going to customize this for mobile as well, because most of the traffic nowadays is coming from the mobile anyway, so you want to be able to capitalize on that. So just go ahead and switch to mobile view, and all you want to do is pretty much just adjust the size of the text a little bit more, and also make sure you're going to reposition the opt-in form just like that. So pretty much this is the mobile version of the landing page that I'm going with, and once you're happy with the design, all you need to do is just go to the next step right here. And pretty much you need to customize some of these options for the landing page. So you can see right here, here is the name of the landing page that you have created. Here is the domain that you're going to be using. And down here, you can see that this subscription settings, you want to select the list that you have created for this. So pretty much I'm promoting this secret obsession method. I'm going to select that list, and that every time somebody is going to sign up through this landing page, their email address will be collected in this list right here. And also make sure again that this confirmed opt-in is going to be turned on just like this. It needs to be grayish, not blue, grayish, just like that, because that way there will be no double opt-in, and you want that for your list. Then pretty much all you need to do in this thank you page, you want to select the custom thank you page, and you want to paste your affiliate link into this field right here. So I'm just going to grab it quickly from my notepad and paste it in there. That way, every time somebody is going to apply through the landing page and leave their email address, they will be taken to this sales page directly and make a purchase right away. But one of the reasons why this method is so powerful is because once you're going to capture their email address, you will be able to message them and promote them this offer in the future, and also other offers just as well. And that's only possible because you're going to capture their email through this simple opt-in form. Pretty much all you need to do now, once you get a landing page just like this, I'm going to test it out in real time so you guys see exactly how's it working. I'm just going to input my name in there, and I'm going to put some dummy email just to test it out. Don't try to message this email address, it does not exist. I will not receive any emails sent to this email address. I just want to show you guys that this is something that actually works. So I'm just going with andytestemail@gmail.com, something like this. Then just click on get access now, and as you can see right here, I was directed to the sales page immediately, and this is going to be doing all the selling process for you. You don't have to worry about that. All you have to do now is just make sure once you go to your contacts and open your contact list for the offer that you're going to be promoting, you can see you've got this email right here that got captured immediately because somebody input it in there and clicked submit. All you want to do now is just collect as many of these emails as possible, and then what you want to do is go to tools once again and click on autoresponders, and you want to create a simple autoresponder completely from scratch. Just click on create autoresponder, and all you need to do is just make sure that you're going to adjust this autoresponder setting to something different as it is right now, because this is going to be sending emails right away once somebody is going to sign up, and you don't want that. Pretty much what you want to do is click on with a delay off, and you want to select a couple hours delay. For example, let's go with 3-hour delay, just like that. And also make sure you're going to select all the days of the week, so these emails can go out any day of the week. Then pretty much just go down here, and what you want to do in this subject line is put some captivating headline, okay? For that, just go back to ClickBank and you go to the affiliate page of the product and go to the sample emails. Just click on sample emails, click on skip the commission bump, go straight to the tools, and you get a couple of these emails that you can copy and paste and set up a very easy autoresponder. All you need to do is, for example, click on this email number 1. What you want to do is copy the subject line from here, go back to get response, paste it in there. Then in this design and content field, what you want to do is click on design message, and you want to click on pretty much this blank template right here. Click on blank template and use it. And what you want to do is copy and paste this entire email from the affiliate page to the autoresponder. So I'm just going to copy body of this email, paste it in there. Pretty much all I need to do is just place a text box right here, paste the body of the email just like that, and also make sure you're going to put a couple of spaces in there so it's going to be a little bit easier to read, because if it's going to be all crammed up, nobody's going to be reading it. So what you want to do is customize it, something like this, for example. And then the important part is down here. What you want to do is pretty much just copy and change this part of the email for your affiliate link. Just go ahead and copy your affiliate link one more time and paste it in there, just like that. And also do the same thing for the link down here. Pretty much just change this entire part for your affiliate link, just like that. And then also make sure you're going to sign off as the email suggests. So I'm going to write in there, best Andy Caddwell, just like that. This is going to be first email in this sequence, and pretty much all you need to do now is just click on next and make sure it's going to be selected with a delay of 3 hours on day 0. Once you do that, just click on save and publish, and all you need to do now is just go ahead and copy and paste each of these emails that you can find on affiliate page and embed with your affiliate link. So it's going to be sent out to whoever is going to be applying for your email list. So pretty much to create yet another email, all you want to do is go to this. Then also what you need to do is make sure you're going to select this autoresponder is going to be selected for the list that you want to use with this. And then what you want to do is create multiple of these emails. So pretty much just click on autoresponder right here. What you want to do is select on day 1. You want to select delay yet again of, let's say, 3 hours. So it's going to be sent on day 2, for example, with a delay of 3 hours. Make sure all the days of the week are selected, and pretty much do the entire process. Go back to the affiliate page, copy the headline of the email, just like that, paste it in the subject title, design message, blank templates, use blank, drag another text box right there, paste the body of the email, and also go ahead and customize it with the spaces and pretty much make it look however you want. But what I highly recommend is adding these spaces, because that way the email is going to be a lot more easier to read, and that's what you want for this. Then just go ahead and change the affiliate link one more time in this email just as well. So I'm just going to paste it in there just like that. And what you need to do to make the link actually clickable is just select it just like that, go up here and click on this link button and paste your affiliate link into this URL field. Then just click on insert, and that way this becomes a clickable link. I forgot to do that in the first email, so just make sure you're going to make those links clickable using this exact process. And I'm going to do, and I did it for this bottom one just as well. Then once again I'm going to sign off just like that, click on next. I'm going to make sure the email is going to be set on day 2 with delay of 3 hours once again, and it's going to look something like this. Then just click on save and publish, and just like this, what you want to do is go through all of these emails on the affiliate page, and each of these you want to send out on next day or every other day. Okay, what this does for you is you're going to keep reminding whoever's going to come to your contact list about the product. So if they didn't make a purchase on the first visit to the sales page, they can change their mind later, because you're going to keep reminding of the product using these very catchy emails that you can get for free on the affiliate page. Then what you want to do is just drive the most amount of relevant buyer traffic to your simple landing page, and all you need to do for that is just go to udemy.com and you want to find yourself a seller of traffic. Pretty much my student was able to use this seller right here. That's his name is Gabe, and as you can see, this is Udemy top seller, 91,000+ people on his list who are actually buyers who are making purchases. And as you can see, his rating of buyers reporting sale is 89%. So out of 100 people purchasing traffic from this person, 89% of them reported getting a sale from his traffic list. So what you want to do is choose the seller that you're most comfortable going with, but one of the basic rules is you want to select the highest possible percentage percentage of buyers reporting sales. Percentage of buyers reporting sales, because that way it's almost guaranteed that you're going to make a sale, and the entire goal of this method is to actually make more money that you're going to spend on traffic, and that way you will make some profit. Now, if you're going to be using traffic from Udemy for this method, just go to the second link in the video description where you can grab yourself a $5 coupon that you can use on your first order on Udemy, so that will make this method a lot more accessible for you if you want to just try it out for a couple of dollars. And also guys, this is like the very watered down version of the affiliate marketing process that you can try out if you want to get a couple of first sales. But if you're really interested in going deep into learning about affiliate marketing and you want to learn exactly how I'm making over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet or without using my YouTube channel. Actually, I made almost $6,000 this month, but for the last 30 days you can see I made over $6,000. I hope you can see this. I'm not sure what's the focus on this, so if you want to learn this exact same method, just go to the first link in the video description and check out my coaching program where I'm going to teach you exactly this method. Other than that, if you're looking for some more money making videos to watch right now, check out this one right here or this one right here. Choose one of these fits you the most. I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you in the next video.